In the wild, animals also show a very sweet maternal love, as they are ready to do everything to cover and protect their little ones. Although the animal is a fierce lion, the mother bird still spreads her wings and is ready to fight to protect her baby. Even jaguars are no exception. The jaguar is an agile carnivore. It's ready for its next meal with its tiny prey. The birds can sense the danger and death close by. They become extremely alert. The jaguar started hunting. And not only is it an agile species, but the jaguar is also quite good at climbing trees. It soon reached the bird's nest, and when the young birds cannot protect themselves against death, anxiety spreads to the other birds, as the wild animals always have sharp senses. It caught the baby bird in an instant, without any effort at all. The baby bird is weakly struggling in despair and waiting for help from its mother somewhere. The mother bird still does not know that she has lost a baby bird because of the claws of a wild animal. After getting the lucrative bait, the jaguar quickly left. The father and mother return home and must deal with the loss that has just occurred. The survival laws of wild nature are extremely fierce. But carnivores don't always win the hunt, as sometimes the hunted becomes the hunted. When they were babies, their fighting and defensive abilities were at their lowest. They easily became the prey for the larger sky assassins with extremely sharp claws. The ability to climb quickly and skillfully did not help them escape the attack of those strong wings and large claws. Competition for survival takes place every second of every minute. Just by being caught off guard or careless, all animals are at risk of becoming substitutes in the natural food chain. It is no exception for jaguars or lions, and even aerial killers like eagles. The powerful hunter is not always the winner. Who has the advantage of hunting more will be the winner at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more interesting videos.